Hello, everyone. My name is Ivy, and I'm thrilled to have this opportunity to share my innovative idea with you today. I have been working on an exciting project that aims to revolutionize the way how we exchange goods. This idea has the potential to change the world as we know it. For me, quality, diversity, and inclusion are at the core of innovation. EDI means creating an environment where everyone, regardless of their background or identity, has equal opportunities to contribute and thrive. It fosters a rich tapestry of perspectives and experiences which fuel creativity and drive meaningful progress. I aspire to be a role model for potential innovators, especially in entrepreneurship and making a difference. I believe that by sharing my journey and experience, I can inspire and empower young people to pursue their own innovative ideas. And I want to show them their unique voices and perspectives matter, and they have been power to make a real difference. With over a decade of industry experience, I have demonstrated the aptitude and potential to lead, inspire, and influence. Throughout my work, I have always led by example. I am passionate about fostering collaboration, embracing diversity, and pursuing the boundaries of what is possible. I'm interested in engaging in various role model activities such as one-to-ones, coaching of the next generation of industry leaders. My key message to encourage others are embrace curiosity, taking risks, and seeing failure as learning opportunity. Winning this award will be an incredible honor and validation of my efforts. It will provide me with recognition and support needed to take my project to the next level. Personally, it will give me the confidence and motivation to continue making positive impact in the field of innovation. I have been involved in supporting people in need in conflict situations. These experiences have further enriched my understanding of the importance of driving positive change. Thank you for considering my application. I am excited about this opportunity to continue to the innovative community and being a role model for inspiring innovators. Together, we can create a future where innovation knows no boundaries. Thank you.